friends, welcome to my channel. If you never heard of Gelo di Anguria, you're not alone. This stunning silky watermelon pudding is a Sicilian summer secret. Light, refreshing, and bursting with flavor of real watermelon. So today I want to make this recipe with you that it's as easy as it is unforgettable. So let's start. You only need really few ingredients. 90 grams of cornstarch and 100 grams of sugar, and of course, watermelon. I bought a seedless watermelon. Now we add our sugar. And we have our liter of watermelon juice. We're gonna put just a little bit. We wanna be careful there are no lumps. When we see it nice and smooth without any lumps, we add the rest of the watermelon juice. Keep stirring. You put it on medium flame and you keep stirring. When it starts to boil, you keep stirring for 5 or 6 minutes. There it goes, it's starting to boil. There it goes. Keep stirring. Look at the color of the watermelon coming out. Turn it off, and we keep on stirring until it cools out a little bit. I put the dishes in the water first. I wet them. Once you put them in the fridge and you want to take them out, it comes out easier. We're going to put them in the fridge for 5 to 6 hours, and see you later. And friends, here is my Gelo di Anguria. We're gonna put a little bit of pistachio nuts on top. And you can also put a little bit of chocolate chips on top. This is one way of serving, and then I'm going to show you the other way. We put this on the side. This is our Gelo, and we just touch it a little bit around the side. Put some pistachio on top. And here is our Gelo di Anguria. You can serve it in the glass cup or put it in the dish. And now, friends, let's taste it. Absolutely fabulous. Bursting with flavor of real watermelon. Delicious. Thank you for watching. And if you like my recipe, subscribe to my channel and give me thumbs up. Bye bye. Alla prossima.